Very good morning, students. Today we are going to learn a new chapter, Heron's formula. So he is a mathematician who has invented formula for area of triangle. Generally we have area of triangle formula as half into base into height. So this mathematician has developed the formula in such a way that the formula should work out for each and every triangle. So this is triangle ABC in which the base and height, general formula this is. So Heron has used the formula as delta is equals to root of s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c, where s is a plus b plus c by 2. So let me draw the figure for this. So this is ABC. Generally the triangle vertices are denoted by the capital letters. So capital A opposite will be small a, capital B opposite will be small b, capital C opposite will be small c, and S is called as semi-perimeter. Semi-perimeter. So delta is nothing but generally we will use for area of triangle symbol, so area of triangle. So delta is equal to root of s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c. So ABC are known here. So we need to find first semi-perimeter, then afterwards we need to substitute in this, we will get the area of triangle formula, that is Heron's formula. So let us start doing one question based on this formula. So let us take one question. Example 1. Find the area of triangle whose sides 8, 11 centimeter and semi-perimeter 32 centimeter. So let us find out the area of triangle by using the Heron's formula. Let us see the word solution for this. So given sides, so A is equals to 8, B is equals to 11 and S is equals to 32. So we have S is equals to A plus B plus C by 2, which is 32 is equals to 8 plus 11 plus C by 2. So 64 is equals to 19 plus C. 19 is equals to C. So C value is 45. Here the question is perimeter, not the semi-perimeter. So total perimeter is 32. So A, B, C, one is 8, one is 11, total is 32. So perimeter is 32. So we are going to get the third side by C is equals to perimeter minus A plus B. That is 32 minus 11 plus 8, which is 32 minus 19. So 13, C value is 13. So let us find out first semi-perimeter A plus B plus C by 2. So which is A 8 plus 11 plus 13 by 2. So 24 plus 8, 32 by 2, which is 16. So semi-perimeter is 16. triangle A, B, C, 8, here 11, here 13. So small a, small b, small c. So delta is equals to root of s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c. This is Heron's formula. Root of 16 into 16 minus 8 into 16 minus 13 into 16 minus 11 into 16 minus 13. That is root of 16 into 8 into 5 into 3. So this can be written as 4 into, in this we can write it as 2 into root of 30. So this is can be written as 8 root 30. So this is the area of triangle. Next question, example 2. A triangular park ABC has sides 120, 80 and 50. A gardener has to put a fence all around. How much area she need to plant, as well as find the cost of the fencing at the rate of rupees 20 per meter with the 3 meter wide space on one side we are leaving. Okay, there is a triangular park ABC. Let us suppose this is a triangular park ABC with 120, 80 and 50 centimeters on all the sides. So find the area first. Let us see the word solution of this. So given sides 120 centimeter, 80 comma 50. So A is 120, B is 80 and C is 50. So set semi perimeter, which is S equals to A plus B plus C by 2, 120 plus 80 plus 50 by 2, so 250 by 2, which is 125. So semi perimeter is 125 here. So we need to find out delta is equals to root of s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c. Root of s semi perimeter is 125. 125 into 125 minus 120, 125 minus 80, 125 minus 50. So root of 125 into 5 into, so here 5, 4, 45, 5, 7, 75, 20 meter. So this can be written as 5 into 25 into 5 into 5 into 9 into 15 into 5. So here 5 will come out, here 5 will come out. So 5 into 5 into 3 into 5 into root 15. So in these two 1 5 will come out, in these two 1 5 will come out, in here 3. So 5 5 is 25, 5 3 15, 5 75 into 5. 35, 37. So 375 root 15. So this is the overall area, 375 root 15. So he's asking to find out the cost of fencing also. Now these are the sides. So perimeter is addition of all the sides. So AB plus BC plus CA, that is 120 plus 80 plus 50, which is 250. So from these 250 we are removing from one side for the gate, that is 3 meters we are leaving. So 250 minus 3, which is 247. So the cost per meter we are spending it as rupees 20. Therefore total cost of fencing total cost of fencing is equals to 247 into 20, so 94, so 4,940 rupees overall cost. Next, let us see the example 3. So example 3, the sides of a triangle are in the ratio 3:5:7 and perimeter is 300. Find area. So find area. Let us see the word solution for this. So given sides are in ratio 3:5:7. So let sides be 3x, 5x and 7x. So these are the three sides. So perimeter. So perimeter is given as 300. So perimeter means addition of all the sides, that is 3x plus 5x plus 7x is equals to 300. 8 plus 15x is equals to 300. So x is equals to 20. So let us substitute x is equals to 20 in that. So here first side A is equals to 3 into 20 which is 60. So B is 5 into 20 which is 100. So C is 7 into 20 which is 140. So let us take the triangle. So A, B, C, where this is 60, 100 and 140. So S we need to find, that is A plus B plus C by 2, which is 60 plus 100 plus 140 by 2. So 140 plus 60 is 200, 300 by 2 is 150. Semi perimeter is 150. So area of triangle delta is equals to root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C, that is root of S is 150. So 150 into 150 minus 60 into 150 minus 100 into 150 minus 140. So root of 150 into 90 into 50 into 10. So this can be written as 5 into 3 into 10, 9 into 10 into 5 into 10 into 10. So overall there are 4 tens. So 2 tens will come out, that is 100 into, so 2 fives, 1 5 will come out into 9, it will come out as 3. So left one is root 3. So it will be 1500 root 3. So this is area of triangle, 1500 root 3. Next, exercise 12.1, sixth question. Sixth question. an isosceles triangle has perimeter 30. And each of equal side is 12. And each of equal side is 12. Find area of triangle. Find area of triangle. So an isosceles triangle is there. So in isosceles triangle, two sides are equal. So automatically that two sides are given in the question. Let us suppose triangle ABC. So this is 12, this is 12. So total perimeter is 30. So let us see the word solution. So perimeter of triangle is 30. So summation of the three sides, that is AB plus BC plus CA is equals to 30. So 12 plus BC plus 12 is equals to 30. BC is equals to 30 minus 24. BC is equals to 6. So another side is 6. This is small a, this is small b, this is small c. So here small a is equals to 6, small b is equals to 12, small c is equals to 12. So let us find out the semi-perimeter, which is a plus b plus c by 2. That is 6 plus 12 plus 12 by 2. 24, 30 by 2, which is 15. So we got the semi-perimeter as 15. So delta is equals to root of s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c. So root of 15 into 15 minus 6, 15 minus 12 into 15 minus 12. Root of 15 into 9 into 3 into 3. So this will be 3, this will be 3. So 3 3s are 9, root 15. This will be the area of triangle.